Okay, now we were talking about equivalent equations and how to determine if two equations are equivalent or equal, right? So let's do a couple practice problems. I want you to show, ooh, sorry about that. I want you to show that both equations are equivalent. And remember, equivalent means equal. Okay, and we'll do some color coding so that you can see that a little clearer. All right, I'm going to give you the equation. Oh, let's go with y equals 5, and the equation y minus 2 equals 3. All right, I want you to show that both of these equations are equivalent. Well, what do I know? I know that y is equal to 5. So no matter what y is, on both sides of the equal sign, it's 5. That's one equation. What can I do to show that this is equivalent to y minus 2 equals 3? Well, simple. Whatever y is, I replace over here. So I'm going to color code this so it's a little easier for you. Okay, so now I know y is 5. I just simply replace the y here with a 5. And then I solve it again. 5 minus 2, what does that equal? 5 minus 2 is 3 on this side. Does 3 equal 3? Yes, yes it does. 5 equals 5? Yep. If both equations come out true, then you know that y equals 5 is equivalent to y minus 2 equals 3. Okay? Another way you could do this is simply replace. No, that's good enough for today. All right, let's try another equation. Or another two equations. Okay, let's try. Y is 8, and y divided by 4 is 2. Are these two things equivalent? Well, if y is 8, then we know for the fact that if we replace y over here with 8, and we divide it by 4, does this come out true? Well, let's see. 8 divided by 4. Yep, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Well, how do I know that? Well, 8 split into 4. 4 goes into 8 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. That's good. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 does, in fact, equal 2. The statement came out true. Therefore, these two equations are equivalent. All right, let's do one that is not equivalent. Okay, let's do one that is not equivalent. So if I told you, give me a second, please. If I told you that x is equal to 8, and then you had the equation x plus 3 equals 12, are those two situations equivalent? Well, how do I test that? All I need to do is replace the x with what we said x is, which is 8, and then we try to solve it out here. What is 8 plus 3? Is 8 plus 3, it's 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 3. Does 11 equal 12? No, that is not true. This is false. Therefore, we know that x plus 8 and x plus 3 equals 12 are not equivalent because it does not come out true. It comes out false. Let's try one more and then we'll be done. Let's say x is let's change the let's change the variable. We'll just get some practice. Let's say it's z. Let's say it's z equals 4. And the equation is And the equation is 18 equals 3 plus 3 times z. All right, how do I test to see if these are equivalent or not equivalent? Well, it's simple again. All I need to do is replace the z with what it says it is, and the z is 4, so the new equation is 18. So the new equation is 18 equals 3 plus 3 times whatever z is, which is 4. Let's do PEMDAS. So 3 times 4 is 12. Remember, the parentheses means times. 18 equals 3 plus 12. Is that true? Well, 12 plus 3 is actually 15, right? Does 15 equal 18? Obviously, it does not. Therefore, we know that this is false. And so the two equations are not equivalent. All right, I hope that helps. We will see you in the next video.